Click on the link below to get price. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill presents itself as a versatile option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Designed with portability in mind, this grill aims to cater to those who enjoy grilling while camping, tailgating, or simply in their backyards. At first glance, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 showcases a sturdy, yet compact design. Its stand-up structure is complemented by two durable wheels, making it easy to transport from location to location. The grill features 3 adjustable burners that allow users to manage the heat output effectively, providing both high heat for searing and lower heat for more delicate cooking tasks. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial during gatherings where different types of food may need to be prepared simultaneously. One of the highlights of the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is its easy-to-use ignition system. The integrated push-button ignition makes starting the grill a straightforward process, which can be especially appreciated by those who may find traditional ignition methods cumbersome. The cooking surface is equipped with a non-stick grate, which aids in even heat distribution and simplifies the cleaning process after use. In terms of cooking area, the RoadTrip 285 offers ample space with a total grilling area of 285 square inches. This size is often sufficient for cooking meals for a small group, making it a suitable choice for family outings or casual gatherings with friends. Additionally, the grill is designed to accommodate various cooking surfaces, including griddles or cast iron pans, allowing for a range of cooking options beyond just grilling. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the propane system is designed to offer extended cooking times, depending on the size of the propane tank used. Users will find that managing fuel becomes an essential consideration during longer cooking sessions, and the clear fuel gauge can help monitor propane levels conveniently. In summary, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill presents a practical solution for outdoor cooking needs. With its adjustable burners, compact design, and user-friendly features, it appears to cater well to those who prioritize convenience and versatility. Whether at the campsite or in the backyard, this grill may serve as a reliable companion for a range of cooking adventures.